This is Eric Moore with Mother.com as a follow-up to a video I did recently about checking the quality of a stock breakout as far as past behavior is concerned. Here's another example. So here we can see a stock that's breaking out as of September 11th, 2019, based on either we can use this all-time monthly closing high or we can use a recent monthly closing high. Both of those levels giving us a breakout look. And we can take this breakout level here and we can see that this is also a breakout. So whichever buy point you use, either this recent monthly closing high or the all-time monthly closing high from 2007. Now the breakout by itself looked fine, but there's a problem with this breakout, and I hope you can see it, is the trading history here. Take a look at this big drop on a monthly time frame. Take a look at this reversal here, reversal here. In other words, the stock doesn't have a good history of holding on to gains. Go up and then you're smacked right down. So a long history of failed moves. Long history of failed moves. Again, a failed move, a failed move, a failed move. And even here we can see a big down monthly move here. This is a big down month. If you take the highs for the month, somewhere there, and the lows for the month, somewhere here. Huge drop. Almost a 50% correction during that month. And so while you see a breakout, you have to understand that the tendency to not hold on to gains still remains in the stock. So I would say be careful whenever you see a stock with previous history of not holding on to gains, because it's going to happen again in the future, and more than likely when you least expect it. So this is as of September 11th, 2009. We take a look at the current monthly chart. So let me just update this, and we can see based on our two breakout levels, the stock is really off the highs. So in about 2 days, it's given back already a lot of the gains for the month of September already. In other words, it is showing the sign of potentially reversing lower. And if we take a look at the 2-year weekly, you can see how this has played out. Started the week higher and now giving back all the gains for the week and turning negative. So this is just a behavior. And you can see from this weekly chart, recently this drop here. It ended the trading week at about $6, and at some point in the following month was trading as low as $2.25. And we can see here already a reversal. In other words, this is not a breakout I would mess with based on past behavior. Now, if it goes on to be successful, that's great. But chances are it will not do so because of this tendency to give back gains very easily. This is Eric Moore with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.